my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do this makeup look right here. It is so different. I never do anything like this, but I thought I'd experiment, and today I'm also doing a full face of only MAC Cosmetics. MAC Cosmetics has been one of my most favorite brands ever. They are my favorite brand ever. They're at the top for me because I've been using them as, I don't even know, as a teenager. I began my makeup journey with MAC Cosmetics. Like, I remember my mom used to always buy me MAC Cosmetics, and it just holds a very special place in my heart. So I never have done anything like this on my channel, which is very shocking, by the way. So I thought, why not create a full New Year's look using only MAC Cosmetics. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video and you learn how to do this look. I show you a few tips and tricks that you can use to help your skin look glowy, make your eyeshadow pop, your face pop, your body pop. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay guys, so let's prep the skin first. I'm gonna go in with my MAC moisture cream. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers to use underneath my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. To hydrate my skin further, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is from the Little MAC collection, and I take this with me everywhere I go. So you can also use this as a base for your makeup. So I'm just going to hydrate my skin further. So for foundation, this is a cult product. Like, this product I'm sure everybody has in their makeup kit. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. I'm in the shade NC35. So this is a demi matte finish, so I want to make it more glowy. So I'm going to add a bunch of products into the foundation. Okay, so I'm going to take one pump of this first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with the MAC Stroke Cream. I'm sure all of you must have heard of this product as well. This is in the shade Pink Light. Now this is an illuminating cream. It sort of again brings back moisture and makes your skin look really glowy, like you're glowing from within, and your skin looks like a baby skin. It looks hydrated, it looks younger and youthful. So I like adding creams like that to my foundation so my skin doesn't look dry throughout the night when I'm partying. So I'm going to add a little bit of this into my foundation here. So I'm going to take a pump of that, I mean just a drop of that into my foundation. So now to add that extra glow to your skin, because it's New Year's, you want to look extra glowy. And you know those skin you see on celebrities and in magazines and stuff, they add a lot of products to their foundation so the skin looks like skin and the foundation is diluted with the other products, okay, to make sure that the foundation is not sitting on top of the skin. So for that, I learned this trick from a MAC expert. This is the MAC Pigment in Tan. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of that into the concoction, and I'm just going to mix it. Okay, so now I have the shade Tan, I have the Stroke Cream, and I have the Studio Fix. Look at my skin, look at how beautiful it looks now. Firstly, it's a full coverage foundation, okay, and secondly, when you're adding all the illuminating creams like the Stroke Cream and the pigment as well, it just adds to the glow and your skin looks like skin. And that is the goal of makeup. You don't want it to look cakey, so you want to make sure you are blending it really well into the skin. So guys, moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and I have two shades right here. One is NC35 and the other one is NC30. Alright guys, so I went ahead and used both the concealers underneath, so you can see brightness, and also it's quite a full coverage concealer and it's thick in consistency, so you want to make sure you're using very little first. And now we're going to move on to setting the eyes. So I went ahead and put on a little bit of loose powder, but I do want to set the rest of my face, and for that I'm going to use the Studio Fix by MAC, of course. This is in NC35. This is their compact powder. It's one powder I have not been able to put down, and I'm going to go ahead and set my face a little bit. I'm going to use the MAC 127S brush. It's like a powder brush, and I'm just going to set my face. For brows, I'm going to take the MAC eyebrow styler in Brunette. I want to keep it a little bit on the burgundy side. I have this amazing palette right here. In fact, I have two and I'm going to use both of them. So one is the Amber ×9. I'm going to take that on my MAC 217 brush and I'm just going to put that on my crease. So now I'm going to take the Burgundy ×9 palette and we're going to play around with these colors. I like how my shadow is looking, but I want to intensify it a little more. Another trick you can do with the Fix Plus is you can add this to your brush and you can go in with your shadow and it just intensify any glitter or shimmer shadows that you have. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back into the same shade dipped in Fix Plus and I'm going to just apply. Did you see that? You can instantly see how it brings out the pigment. So this is something you can do with anything if you just want to intensify. The Fix Plus makes that possible. I want to intensify this a little more, so I'm going to go ahead with the pigment we used earlier, which is this one right here. It's called Tan. I'm going to put that on the top, just like a hint of it. Again, I wet my brush with Fix Plus and I'm just going to take that color Tan on the back of my hand. You can see how reflective it is after adding Fix Plus. Okay guys, so I want to play around with my eye a little bit. This is your standard smoky eye, but I want to bring something different to the table. So I'm going to use Dear Darling Kajal Crayon by MAC. This is like a beautiful turquoise color and I'm just going to use that on my, I think, upper line and waterline. I'm going to try. I'm going to see what works. Now for my mascara, I'm going to use the MAC Haute Naughty Lash. I've been using this forever. It's one of the most amazing mascaras. You can open this and you can get one for your upper lash. And then if you want a smaller one, you can open this and get it for your lower lash. It is so convenient. That looks so pretty. I'm literally experimenting with my look and I'm loving it. I'm going to go on and put on some MAC lashes. I love these lashes. These are one of my favorite lashes to use. It's very natural, okay? It's like your lashes but better, okay? And this is in the style A77. So I put on some lashes and now my eye look is complete. Let's move on to the face really quickly. I'm going to use this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Bronzer in Dark Deep. For blush, I'm using my MAC Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush in Peachy Keen. And for highlighter, it's going to be my classic, my most favorite highlighter. I'm sure most of you have it as well. It's the Soft and Gentle by MAC. Before I move on to highlighter, I'm going to bring back all the moisture by using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus on the sides of my face, and then I'm gonna hit it with Soft and Gentle. You want to wait till your Fix Plus is semi-dry, and then you want to go ahead and just hit your cheekbone with some Soft and Gentle. It really intensifies the glow, and also really melts into the skin and makes it look like skin. You can intensify it more by adding some more Fix Plus to the side and just let it dry. Okay guys, so we're almost done. We're moving on to lips now. For lip pencil, I'm going to use this one in Whirl, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Retro Matte liquid lip color in Burnt Spice. So for my body highlighter, I'm going to use the MAC Strobe Cream. This is a great body glow as well. You can just use this on your chest area and just like massage it in. It really looks nice when the light hits your shoulder. It just looks so glowy and so pretty, especially in pictures, and we know we're gonna take a lot of pictures, so you want to make sure you are just rubbing this into your moisturizer also, just like that, just to bring out the glow. And if you want that extra glow, you can go ahead with the Soft and Gentle, and you just want to hit that on your collarbone. It just brings out the glow further, which we love, don't we all? Like, look at that shoulder, it's so nice and glowy. Alright you guys, so this is the final result. I really love how my look turned out. It's something I never do, okay? I always stick to my safe zone, but I thought I'd play around with something new, and I absolutely love this look. You're gonna steal the show with this sort of a liner. You're gonna walk in and everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, what is that on her face? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed doing this look because it's different and I feel good, I feel new. So thank you so much for watching. Everything and all the information will be down below, and happy New Year's to every one of you, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.